Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great artist here, in my opinion. I really love his songs. This one is from Carl Storm, a fellow Swede. And yeah, this song is called Find Time. So I really think Carl Storm deserves more attention. It's a great song there, Find Time. It's based upon 4 different chords, what I can see, and we'll go over the chords. But first, we need a capo here, high up on the 6th fret, to get this really nice, cool notes. All right, so anyway, let's start with capo on 6, and we'll look at the chords like we usually do. So, the first one will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right. Then the next chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Usually we do with third on B. This time we want it open because we have notes there. We want to emphasize which is the open B. And then you could use the third E as well, even if we will not probably use that much. But anyway, yeah, that's the full chord of G. Then we have the next chord, which is the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be an F. And the easiest way here to play this F is the shorter version, because we're gonna play with this chord and get some notes from it, so it's easier to work with this shorter version here. So, or actually perhaps F major 7 will work here. It really doesn't matter that much. It's third on D, second on G, first on B, and you can go with first on E or open E. It's your choice. So that is the chords F and A minor, E minor, F and G. That's what we're gonna work with here. Okay, so if you watch the tutorial here, you can stick to just strumming pattern, but it's so cool to have this melody built in. I'm gonna give you that as well. First, we need to look at the strumming to really get the basic done here, okay? So we can have the A minor as an example to illustrate the strumming pattern. So it will be like this: 4 downs, then a clap, then 3 downs. That is 1 round of the strumming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that will be 1 round. So in a context here, if we go for a couple of rounds, it will be like this for A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3. So there we have it. So for the verse, you will play 4 rounds of A minor. 2 rounds of A minor, and then 2 rounds of G. So that is the chord version there. So and then G2 and A minor 2 and G2. So on. So that is the pattern for verse. Now you want to have this cool melody, I really love it. So it goes like this for the A minor, just the melody. All right, so that will be on the G string here, second, then open G string, then second G string, and first B string. We can stop there. So on G string, second, open, second, and then first on B string. And then you're gonna play the same pattern for 3 rounds, and that will be this part. Okay, so that is open G, second G, and first B. That 3 notes you're gonna play for another 3 rounds. So Okay, so together this A minor part will be slowly like this. Okay, and then we have the notes based upon the G chord, and the full part there sounds like this. Okay, so that will be open B, then open G, then back to open B, and first B. We can stop there. So open B, open G, open B, and first B. And then we're gonna play 3 notes again 3 times in the same way. So that part is, okay, so that is open G, open B, and first B. These 3 notes you play for 3 rounds. So alright, so that is the melody for the verses. So just to summarize, the A minor and G will sound like this slowly. Okay, so now you have the challenge here to really bring in this melody into the strumming. So now we will build this together. So you will use the same strumming here, the 4 downs, clap, and 3 downs, and that will sound like this. With the melody only, and with the strumming and the claps, you can do like this. So you just bring these notes into the downs here and use a clap in the same way, and that will fit very well to this melody with the strumming. All right, so that was the verse part, and then we'll look at the chorus part. All right, so this chorus we have, if we start with the strumming first, we have the A minor, same strumming for 2 rounds, then you have the E minor for 1 round, and the F for 1 round. So that is the new chord progression here. A minor 2, E minor 1, and F1. All right, so with just the strumming, it will sound like this. Was 2 rounds. So that is strumming. Let's look at the notes and the melody. Okay, so the A minor part will sound like this. Okay, so yeah, I think you recognize this. It's the same A minor part as you played for the verse actually, so there's nothing new to it. So just stick with the same parts as in the verse, and that will be A minor part. Then we'll go over to the E minor, and that part is played in the same way as the G started. Okay, so okay, so you have pretty much the first half of the G. So it's the open B, open G, open B, first B, and then just 1 round out of these 3 played in the same way. So the open G, open B, and first B. So that is the E minor part now. So here, and then you have just the F final part, and that melody will sound like this. And that will be 3rd fret on the B string 2 times, and you end on the 1st fret B string. And that is the chorus melody. So if we summarize the chorus melody, it will sound like this. And with some bass to it. So you use the same strumming there as well for the chorus, and you build in the melody here, and that will make a great song. Yeah, so thank you very much, Carl Storm, for great song there, good material for us, and we'll really appreciate this one. And if you really found sort of Carl Storm here, watch our songs from him. We'll certainly bring up more coming up from him here. So yeah, anyway, this is what we can offer here from Gordon Guitar. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumb up, and till next time, play tuned.